Hey guys, today I am going to share important information regarding iPhone 13 Pro. This is 256 GB variant which I have purchased recently. After using this for a day, I found an issue in this iPhone. As you can see, there is a big gap between the body, that is stainless steel frame, and the screen at top of iPhone. Gap is illustrated with the help of a piece of paper. Paper is easily getting inside the gap, and this gap is all along the top side. Now I have folded the paper. Even two folds of paper is getting inside the gap easily. This shows the gap is huge. Normally, this type of issue is difficult to get identified, but if carefully observed, it could be identified easily. With this gap, the IP68 water and dust resistance properties could get affected. Now, have a close look. Here, the gap is easily visible. I would suggest you all beware of this issue, as this is not expected in the recently launched Apple product. Now I have again illustrated the gap. I have taken up this concern with the Apple Service Center. Please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates regarding this issue in my next video. Thank you.